Namaste. So we still have a few volumes balanced from the whole set of David Hinkin Jr. that I had got the other day. I have done the flip throughs till volume 13. Today, let us do volume 14. I'm purposely doing each volume separately is so that you can see uh, each design that is available, because not everybody has the terrible obsession like me to have a complete set if I start off with Illustrator, and you might not want a certain volume because you don't like much of the designs in it. So I will of course put the link to this book in the description box below. And if you prefer to buy it, then I would request you to use the link because it will help me to sustain my hobby a bit better. Uh, Thank you so much in advance if you're clicking on that link, and let's now go through the designs in this book. So, as is common with his books, there's no introduction page or anything. It's just directly from the cover into the designs. And this does not look terribly complicated. Though I should say there are some bits which are very tiny, but generally speaking, it's not a very complicated design. These are surprisingly less busy than I had expected. Sorry for my throat clearing sounds. I usually try to record the videos early morning when my neighborhood is a bit quiet. So my I have not spoken to anybody since morning, so it takes a bit of an effort to sound clear. This is a very beautiful design. I think I have seen various results of this on YouTube, on other people's channels, and I do love how it has come out. I wonder how it will look when I have completed it. I was just thinking, I don't know. It's like these books are going to last me a lifetime, and I'm really not sure if I did a good thing by buying the whole set of 16 volumes in one go. Uh, but well, it's done. So the only thing I can do is now color in them. Also, the thing is that because these designs are of this size, right, the patterns are such that alcohol markers will not be an option for almost any of them. I'm sure there will be a few which can be, but most of them not possible with alcohol markers. And for me, that would put a limitation on the speed with which this can be finished. So I will of course seek out those ones which can be done with markers, because luckily these are one-sided pages, so you can actually use markers if the design allows you enough space to do it. Example, this one, right? I think this is sparse enough for an alcohol marker and gel pen combination, because some of these, like these lines, I don't think we can do it with a marker, but the rest of the spaces are quite sparse enough, open enough for them to be colored with marker pens. This is also a very beautiful one. So seems like my neighborhood has started waking up. Huh? I don't know if you heard that big door banging. This is it is a very attractive design in in a very wrong way. It's like I keep on looking at it because I don't know what am I going to do with this one. It is so tiny, so complicated, and yet even without colors it's looking so fascinating. So it's like when you get attracted to the wrong things, right? This is one of those things, I think so. Okay, this was the last one, spare page, and that's it. So this was volume 14, and I hope you like the designs, and if you wish to buy the book, as I said, the link is in the description. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.